Hey, this is Robbie from Impulsion Sales. So yeah, I'm the guy who is always talking to you from behind the camera. And today I decided to make myself useful and do something. So I'm gonna be installing the blocks on this mainsail for the Lavezzi 40, which is a tough task. So this is what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using these Rutgerson blocks. And of course, I'll need to put more tension with some pliers and add a zip tie to secure them in place. And going down to second reef and first reef. That's it. I've done my work today. I helped with production, and I'm going to call it a day.